Hello everybody, hi dear YouTubers, it's Alex Davidson, and in this short video I would like to talk about immigration opportunity, which is usually not known. Lots of companies are not working with this simply because it requires brains, of course. It requires a little bit deeper knowledge than just reading the manuals on site or just taking money from you and submitting the application, which is what 99% of those so-called mediocre man or whatever agencies are doing, in an essence, of course, right? Don't want to disrespect anybody. How to immigrate to Canada through opening a business in a country. First of all, deeper we will look into this in a couple of weeks when we would have a separate webinar on it. Okay, I promised it a couple of weeks ago, so yes, we'll stop it by and discuss it in more details. But in an essence, I'll try to do it in a couple of minutes right now. So yes, as a person, you are allowed to come to Canada, provided that you got a visa or a passport holder of a country which does not require a visa to enter Canada, and open a business in here. You could open the limited liability company, you could open the corporation, incorporate with your friend from Canada, or incorporate by yourself. That is allowed to do so. So as soon as you got the company, the company on a paper, you could start working. The company could start operations, whatever you were planning to do, and the company could hire Canadians or permanent residents. Feel free to do that, it's absolutely allowed. What is not allowed, you're not allowed to work in your own company. Please remember to separate two notions. You could be an owner of the company, but that does not mean that you could work in a company. Put it simple, you could be an owner of, say, few shares of Microsoft. That does not allow you to enter Microsoft premises and work in there, okay? Pretty much treat your company the same way. You're an owner of the company, you could hire a director, but you cannot operate as a director yourself yet. But again, the company could work, the company could hire people. As soon as it happens, as soon as the company has legal operations, money is starting to come in, what you could do, you could ask HRSDC, Human Resources and Development Canada, for the permission to hire the foreign worker. In this particular situation, hire you. Which means that you're asking to get a position, say, of a financial officer, of whatever it could be, engineer, manager, director, anything would work. Since your company is legal, since it operates in Canada already for quite some time, could be just as little as a few months, you are entitled to ask. As soon as you do that, usually if you do everything properly, if papers are in order, you would be allowed to hire that foreign worker, means you. And from this point, you got that straight way towards immigration. You're allowed to work in Canada. You could ask for the work permit for your spouse if you would like to. You could work towards your immigration either on the professional scale or in the business immigration. Either or. There are multiple ways opening for you. Want to discuss them further? Well, stay tuned. We will have our webinar. You would have our contacts at the end of the video, and of course, our links to our website at the bottom. See ya.